Removing a processor and heatsink fan module. Remove the server cover. If applicable, remove the optical drive and drive bay 2-cage assembly, or the drive bay 2 and 3-cage assembly. Disconnect the heatsink and fan module cable from the system board. Partially loosen screw 1. Fully loosen screw 2, and then fully loosen screw 1. Partially loosen screw 3, fully loosen screw 4, and then fully loosen screw 3. Lift the heatsink and fan module from the server. To remove the processor, gently pull the handle away from the processor retainer and lift the handle. Lift the socket retainer to the fully open position. Hold both sides of the processor and gently lift it away from the processor socket.